So we have a broken trace for the turn signal to the left. So that light bulb, it's either this or this. Let me see. So this light bulb, when you press the blinker to turn left, it won't turn on. And when you use the hazard lights, it also won't turn on. So we have to fix it. If this doesn't work, I'll have to run a wire from here all the way to the light. It's a solid connection.